One-handed phone video. All right, I got a little loop going. I want to try to like practice the performance effects with this touch strip using the stutter on the group that has just the beat on it, because I have some other elements going as well. So what I have I have this pad selected. Let me go to plugin instance. Let's go to sound, group B, sampling. Yeah, sampling sound B. We got it off the input master and internal. I got the threshold kind of low. Start it so it's ready. Let's get to the performance effects are on the group. And then I hit this and it should sound like this. Oh